So, good morning, everyone. Today, we would like to talk about data modeling part. So, the previous class after we have completed, we were completed like data Power Query part. So, so in the Query level, we have like cleaning and shaping the data, right? So, with the Power Query data, the next important phase is modeling the data. So the data modeling is nothing but a collection of multiple tables together and adding the relationship between the multiple tables. That is called as modeling. So data modeling is nothing but it's a collection of multiple tables together and adding the relationship between the multiple tables. So Power BI is having rich data modeling capabilities like creating hierarchies, creating calculated columns and measures, and also adding the relationship between the tables. So this creating hierarchy means we can create it the table level, and creating calculated columns means we can create a columns. So in the Power Query level, we have explained it custom column. Similarly, we can able to create in the data modeling side, we can able to create as a new calculated columns and measures. So this we can by using DAX function. By using DAX will after modeling is completed, we can start the DAX part. So so this is the order of operation in Power BI desktop level. So first one is once a data is loading. Once the data is loading, okay, first step is like get data. So once get data is done, then we want to do the transformation. So Power Query editor is required. Then followed by data modeling. So this is loading. Power loading means we are including Power Query as well as. The next step is data modeling. So in the data modeling, we can see the relation between two tables. So then followed by data visualizations, then distribution of the reports, like sharing the reports through Power BI service. So far, difference. What is the difference between Power Query editor and the data modeling? So Power Query editor, like, so first step is Power Query editor. So connect the data, so clean the data, transform the data, combine the data. So these are the steps we can do through Power Query. So data model, like creating the relationship and define hierarchies, create measures, calculated columns. So data modeling also we can call as Power Pivot. Power Pivot is nothing but to model plus DAX. DAX measures, DAX. In the DAX, what are the coming is what are the things are part of modeling? Creating the calculated columns and measures. So this is nothing but the data modeling part. So why first of all, what is the importance of data modeling? So when you creating multiple columns into the table level, so in the table level, the hierarchy is required. Otherwise, we cannot do the accurate value. It is not data is not showing accurate. So let's show. I will show you as part of here. So let's say in this example, so if you what is data modeling? As we discussed earlier, data modeling is a collection of multiple different tables, data sources together and defining the relationship between them. That is called as data modeling. See, we have loaded as part of this example, we have loaded AW underscore product lookup table, AW underscore sales data, AW underscore return data. So these are the tables. So if there is no right now, there is no relationship between in this table. Nothing. That means it is not a data model. Okay, it is not a data model. There is no relation between these tables. So let's see once after that we have created a relationship. So this is data model. So we have created the relation between one table to another table. So that means this is a data model. Okay. So why data modeling is required? The next question is. So data modeling is required to get corrected or right data after combining or relating multiple tables together. So why data model is required? So it get the correct data, simple, accurate data. So if the data model is not there, may give like false data. So for if you're taking product wise sales, all the product it will give the same results. So if you do not give the relationship between two tables, product and fact table, let's say any table, sales table. So yesterday we discussed about dimension table. Dimension and fact when connect together, we are showing each dimension. Like dimension is nothing but a product, and fact table is nothing but to fact sales, internet sales. So if you take these two tables, product table, we are taking product table. So in the fact sales, we are taking sales amount column. So in this case, like if you are taking this one, so each product is written same results. So after creating the relationship between two tables, so then it will show the each product wise accurate data. So when data modeling is doing, so data modeling is required if you need to analyze the data from multiple tables having relationship. So this is very key important. So first of all, when you want to connect always one table to another table, so we need primary key and foreign key between of them. Otherwise, we cannot give the relation. So whenever we want to connect for another table, we know the common key between these two tables. So before modeling the data, we need to know the type of tables, what type of tables, how the data will get stored in the data warehouse level. So in the data warehouse, always the information gets stored in the form of master and transaction table. So master is nothing but to dimension, transaction table is nothing but to fact table. Okay. So master and transaction. So data warehouse is nothing but to, it is a combination of UTL plus VA. So master table is nothing but a dimension. Transaction table is nothing but to like so if you in the master table like 90% dimensions is there, 1% measure is here. Transaction table 1% measure is there. Sorry, 1% dimension is there. 99% measure is there. That measure is nothing but to numeric values. Okay. Here 99% string value is there. Dimension is nothing but to yesterday we discussed right. It's a having numeric sorry, not numeric data, string data. So 1% only numeric is. So that is called as master table. Also we can call as dimension table. Transaction table also we can call as fact table. So we already discussed about master table. What is yesterday? Like everything we were discussing. So dimensions. So all the types are there, but we don't require that much types. Yeah, let's go for example. Okay. So how to create the model? So let's go for. So yesterday I have said all the PBX files in the in this community, right? So what are the PBX files I have said? So dim geography, dim customer, dim product category, dim product subcategory, and dim date, and dim currency, and dim product, dim sales territory, and fact internet sales. These are the tables. So anyone done? I given assignment, right? Please let me know who are completed for this one from online. Anyone done this exercise? So if not done, please go through that. So first of all, download those files into one location, one folder. Keep those files into one folder, and after that, get data, connect. So those files format is CSV format file, and go to here. Like what is the CSV file? Go to text or CSV file. Or otherwise, you can go to more and choose file types. So here, go to file and choose type as text or CSV file. Then click connect. So dim customer, dim product. So dim currency. So dim currency is, so this is the location I have stored in my PC, my laptop. So dim currency. So right now I don't require any transform data. So it's just loading. So because already in the CSV file we have done all the, okay. Now, so one table is loaded like that. Like that, every file you have to load like. So get data again, CSV file. So dim customer is the dim product, dim date is not good, right? Okay. Load the data. So again text CSV file. So dim data, date, dim geography. Okay. So load the data. Again take CSV file. So product category, dim product subcategory, not load. Okay. Yeah. So only one file we can load every time. Dim sales territory. So now how many tables are there as part of this exercise? 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 tables are there. Okay. So here, so dim currency, dim customer. So in Power BI, in Power BI, uh, in Power BI, go to the model view. In this model view, right? So by default, if the common key between these two tables means the whatever the key is there, primary key and foreign key. So if it is same name is there, automatically it will detect the relationship in the Power BI model. So automatically it will detect. So first of all, I will remove this all the relationships. So how to remove it? So remove it, select and remove. Click yes. Automatically it removes. So just so reset layout. When you click reset layout, see if any relationship is there, so we can remove it. Otherwise, another way is we can see the relationship through go to the report view. There is a concept called as modeling. There is modeling page tab is there. Go to click manage relationship. So here also it is there. Select, yeah, select all the huh? uh, delete. Yes. Select all the tables, you can delete it. So I selected only one delete. If you select this delete, it will delete all at a time. If you want only one, you can do. So now see here, after removing this relationship, earlier it was there connected one table to this table. Now got deleted. Now all the tables, this is nothing but there is no model created for all the tables. There is no relations. So now here just identify. So always track table, so dimension table, the whatever the key is there, that is primary key. The track table like it is foreign key, like that relationship is there. So first of all, go to the dim currency. So dim customer or dim product. So let's go for dim product. First, you have to analyze. We want to connect here all the dimensions we want to connect with fact table. So dim product, let's see the analyze the dim product table. What are the keys are there? So we can say product key, product alternative key, product subcategory key. These are the keys are there. So I told right. So master table having 99%, 99% string data, 1% measure data, right? So that is called as dimension table. So I can say here, what is happening? Okay. So here product key, product alternative key. If you check here, remaining all the thing values are most probably string data only is there. So now we want to connect dim product to fact internal sales. So first of all, we want to analyze that what are the keys are there. So if you see here, product key is a column and go to the fact internal sales. Let's see in this table also whether product key is there or not. Just check it. The very first column only product key, so that we can create a relationship between these two tables. How to create the relationship is go to that again report view, modeling, manage relationship. Okay, so we can create two ways. The first way is through report view only. The first method is through report view only. So go to report view, go to modeling tab and click manage relationship. So here it will ask new relationship. So from table to table, choice is yours. So you want to connect with dim product, right? What is the second table? Fact internet sales. So here, first of all, to identify what are the column. If the column names are similar, so automatically it will detect the relationship, make the relationship active. So for example, I am so cardinality is nothing but to data how the data is one to many or many to one or one to many. So this is the one to many means always unique values from here. What is showing the cardinality one to many? That means in the product table we have one product key, only one record is there. If you check in the product key, sorry, in the fact table, so in this product key, so duplicate values, multiple values are there. The reason is in the fact table, so each day transaction wise it will be there. Okay, so that's why, so one to many relationship. So we'll check it. So 528 is there, right? 520. Just click save it, save it. Now the relation is created. See here. So this means relation fact internet sales. Always fact internet sales star indicates multiple values. So here one indicates a dim product, always one means only unique values. So the cardinality is many to one here. Many to one here. So one means always dimension table, fact table is many values. So generally, dimension table always unique values means one to one relationship, on fact table always many relations. Okay. So status is active. That means the relation is built active. So if you want to unactive, so click edit. So if you select this one, make this relationship active. So here this means inactive relationship. So inactive relationship always, so start with, see here status is inactive and check that even here as well as. So whenever the inactive relationship is there, the symbol like dot hyphen 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 is there. So if it is active relationship, line is there. Just want to understand. So based on this model, what is active relationship, what is inactive relationship, we can easily identify based on this dot line. Let's see here, see here, see here. Okay. So now make it that relationship active just for example purpose. So right click again, you want to edit. So make it this relationship active. Let save it. So now See here now the line. Understood, right? The line is there is no hyphen hyphen. So active always the line is there. Inactive hyphen hyphen is there to identify. Based on this line, we can say this is active relationship. So see here the relation always the fact table. So what you can do is we always give center in the fact table. So this is movable. So always fact table is we can give center. Okay. 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 All right. So now see in this diagram. In this diagram. So dim fact internet sales in the fact internet sales dim product dim product dim product. What is the common key? What is the common key? What is the common key? Common key means both the table. What is the common column? Just now only we discussed. What is the common keys? So product key. Product key is a common key in the both table. So just understand here in this modeling. Just understand in the modeling part. So the fact table always connected with dimension table always connected with fact table. The relation is one to many. So what is the common key? To identify in the real time, just first of all you want to make it this kind of diagram so that easily understand. Hello. So one to many. So we have to define. So in the real time, when the real time side, when you get the work, so first of all you can model it. So how many tables we are taking in the report and what type of relation is there? If you build this kind of diagram, so that modeling is very easy for you. Okay. So now the next step is so we have connected fact internet sales and dim productivity. So we'll try for another table as well similarly. So we'll take so the next step we can take it. So which table we will have a look. So dim sales territory. We'll take dim sales territory. So what is the dim sales territory? So just first of all, anyway, always in the any dimension table, always the first key most of time. So unique key. Here sales territory key is there. Let identify whether it's the same key is there in the fact table or not. So here again sales territory key is there. Here it is there sales territory key. So in the dim sales territory, just watch it, identify. So sales territory key. So always here unique value. That means one value only for each key. So take 4 key in the fact table. In the fact table. So I'm looking for sales territory key equal to 4 in the fact table. How it is the data? Is a single value or multiple values? Just filter out sales territory key as see based on these values. So select here and click 4. Filter out. See how many values are there for 4. So many values is there. So that's why dimension always what unique values and fact table always many values. The reason is here see order date. So each date 4/7/2011 12 a.m. Again, each day they have one transaction. So day wise it will show the data. That's why we can fact table, we can call a transactional table also. Okay. So now here, so we came to know now we can build a relation between these two tables. So how now this way the second approach is we want to create through model view. So what is the table we want to now dim sales territory versus here. Okay. So first of all, what is the common key identified? Sales territory key. This is the key, unique key. So select that one, and here also sales territory. Okay, you can select this one, control plus control, drag and drop here. Okay, drag and drop here. Then this model relationship it will be enabled. Sales territory key, sales territory key. So cardinality, as you know, right, in the dimension table always one value here. If you see here one value, that's why it is showing as 1 to, in the fact table many values. So 1 to many relationship, and we have given the common key selected and make this relationship is active. Save it. So now this relation is created. See what type of relation based on this line symbol is there? It is active relationship. If it is hyphen means dotted line is there, then inactive relationship. So now in the same in the diagram level, as you know, right? So here in the sales territory key, what is the common key between these two tables? What is the common key? Sales territory key. So 1 to many directions, right? So 1 to many. Okay, all right. Okay, 1 to many relationship is there. Okay, 1 to many relationship is there. Now we are good here. So 1 to many. So now we will create dim currency with fractal information. The next step is dim currency. So we'll create dim currency key. So just analyze here based on here only. Okay, based on dim currency, fractal sales, just find out that key. What is the key is there? So here currency key is there. So currency key and currency. Okay. So we can build a relationship directly. Okay. Currency key, drag and drop here. So it will enable automatically. So see here in the currency key, one say dimension, right? Always within values. So that's why 1 to many. So save it. So now the relation is created here. See here now the relation is created. Check here. So dim currency key here always 1 to many. Yeah, one to many. So one to many relationship. So now it is coming. Then the next one is dim customer. So dim customer, check it here. What is the common key? So here it is a customer key. Check it here also customer key is there. Then drag and drop customer key here. So customer key is created. So make it active relationship. So here in this diagram, also dim customer key. So customer key is a common key between and relation is one to many. So this dim customer also done. So now is dim date. So now this relation is creating like this. Now what is the next step is dim date. Where is this? Where is dim date here? So you can keep this here for dim date. So in the dim date level, so here date key is there. Here date key is there. So here order date or order date key is there. Here order date. Okay. So this is the common key between this table. Just drag and drop. So date key, order date. So see the values 2010 07 01 02 03 like that is there. So here also order date key is there like that, same format, same value. So click save it. So now this one also created. Check here. So order date key is a common key between these two tables. So here what you can mention is control X. So here sometimes the column name is not same. So in the dimension table you can mention as date key. So in the dimension table we are joining with date key. So in the fact table, so order date key. Based on that we can simply identify what is the dimension date, what is the fact table. So here, so simply, so we can easily understand date key versus order date. When variable is matched, only then relationship is only the common key. For example, if you see here product key. So automatically when loading the table itself, automatically it detect and enable the relations. So that is Microsoft that is Power BI inbuilt, it will take care of it. So if the common key is not there, right? Here if you see dim date, fact entered cells or a date key. So the common, this is not the common key, right? The same column name is not right. So what it is telling, you have to create a relationship manually. Understand? So now here dim date also done. Let's see how many tables are left now. Still product subcategory and dim product category. Let's find out dim product category in the fact internet sales. So from starting onwards, so product key is there, product subcategory is there, order date key. Please let me know if anyone find out product subcategory. So we did not able to find out product category. Sorry, product subcategory. We could not able to find out that column, right? So dim product category. So let's identify then what is the next step is. So first of all, what are the columns are there in the dim product category? So dim product category, product. So product category So product category key is there here. Then product category alternative key is there. Okay, two keys are there. Okay, so product category key. So by using dim product, so always product category always connected. Product alternative key is there. Okay, so product key, product alternative key is there. So now this dimension we want to connect. Okay. Yesterday I told that one dimension again divided into connect with another dimension. This is called as snowflake star scheme. Snowflake scheme. Up to now, this model is star scheme. Up to now, this model is star scheme. If you check here, all the fact table, all the dimensions are connected with this fact table. Looks like star only, right? Up to now. So here again one dimension again connected with another dimension. So one dimension connected with another dimension, it is called as snowflake scheme. Now it will enter. So what is your model? Which schema is what is in the model? We can simply say snowflake scheme. So as of now here up to now star schema. So now we once the relation established this product dim product versus dim product sub category. So then now dim product category, right? So dim product, what is the common key here? Dim product alternative key, right? Yeah, dim product category. So product alternative key. So check it here in this model also. So dim product. Okay, dim product, always dim product subcategory. So first of all, we want to create a relation between subcategory. So what is the subcategory? Just what is the common key is there in the subcategory? Just understand. So let's go for dim product subcategory. Looks like product subcategory is there. So you can directly connect dim product. So in the dim product also dim product subcategory is there. So by using this we can establish a relation between here. So how to establish a relation? So simply is, so now I'm going to model it. So marriage relationship. So again creating new relationship. So from table dim product. So we want to create dim product subcategory. So what is the common key column here? Sub product subcategory key. Okay. See here, not this one. Yeah, this one. So we want to create this one. So here, so in the dim product subcategory, see here, many here dim product subcategory unique values is there. One two here, many values is there. So it will connected now. Click save it. So now check the relationship is, close it. Now check the relationship. So here dim product category, dim product subcategory is connected one values, unique values, and this another dimension having many values. If you want to check it, so one category you can check it. Why is the many values are there in that? Go to data view, select dim product subcategory. In the subcategory key, take one value. In the dim product subcategory key, take it one value. So check it how many values are there here. So many values are there. That's why here it is connected to many. So to identify, to do more analysis while loading the data, what kind of data, as a data analyst role is, we want to analyze that what kind of data and what is the common keys we want to identify once loaded into the format level for the table. Okay. So now this one also done. The last step is, so now the last step is, so sometimes the simple technique is, so product. So let's say the simple technique is product. This is shortcut. Don't go for this method always. So product key, for example, product key. When you type as product key, so what are the tables are there? Okay, see simply, dim product, product key is there. Pattern predictions, product key is there. So that we can create a relation between these two tables. Like that also we can analyze. This is uh, do better always go for more analysis instead of this one. This is very shortcut method. So now we want to create again dim product category. So product category, type it product category. So dim product category. So wherever it's there, which tables, how many table is there here? So dim product subcategory table, product category is there. So here also product category is there. Now we want to establish a relation between these two tables. Okay. The last part is modeling. So now dim product subcategory. So product, what is the common key here? Product category key. Okay, product category key. Okay. Now let's see. We want to enable a relation between. So go to manage relationship, click new relationship. So dim product subcategory. So dim product category. So what is the common key? Product category key here. Product category key here. We have to select here. So in the dim product category, okay, we need to 1. So now relation is done. Relation part is done. So what are the tables we have created? So that is done. So here see all the fact tables are starting P1. So all the dimension is starting some of them. Then what you can do is you can interchange. That's fine. That's fine. So always dimension part. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. These all are the dimensions. So any questions? The modeling part. So now we are familiar how to create model. Why is the model? What is the major key role model? So without model. So what is the drawback is, let's save it this file. So what I'm going to do is the Power Query transformations last save. But where is this layer? File save as. Okay. Now, so now let's see here. Go to modeling, manage relationship. Now I want to remove all the relationship. I want to delete. So delete it. So we did not discuss about this part basically. So now, so we go for dim product. So I want to create product wise total sales amount. So for that, I'm taking table visual here. So I want to give the product. What is the product? English product name. So English Product name is the product name here. So, and this is the products, and I'm going to take fact internet sales. So in this table, I'm looking for total sales amount. Okay. So everyone watch here. So if you go for product name, looks like each product, what is the value it is showing? Same. In the real time development, why? Any reason? So why it is same? It's always why all product is same value? Absolutely no, right? So it looks like this is there is a some issue. The reason is we did not create a relation between these two tables. If you do not create a relationship in this table, so when you are taking to the those columns into the table level, so definitely in the table or any visual, it will give the false result. So it cannot give the accurate values. Okay, it cannot give the accurate values. So I want to now, once the relation is created, it will give the proper results. Let's see, we'll create a relationship product and fact internet sales. So go to product and fact internet sales. So let's see, once click save it, automatically give the accurate value. That's why model is major key role in the when you're taking multiple tables. See here now. That's why model is major important. Understood? So anyone concerned from online? Anyone questions? Questions or concerns? Shankar, Leela, Lingaswamy, Mohan,
Yes, sir,
Bond.
అర్థమైంది.
Okay, we are good, right? So that is the part of data modeling concept. So that major important the model. So how to like creating model. So based on this diagram, right? Please practice everyone. So based on this one only, we can yeah. Yeah. So stars type of schemas are available. Star schema is nothing but to now the definition is star schema. All the dimensions are connected to the fact table. That is called as star schema. See here in this diagram now. The fact table is nothing but to here fact internet sales. So dimension is a team product, team category, team subcategory. These are the team date, team sales territory. These are the dimensions. All dimensions are connected to the fact tables. So that is called as star schema. Okay, next is snowflake schema. Snowflake schema, see here in the fact table. In the fact table, so one dimension is connected to another dimension. Okay, like hierarchy. Yes. So they related product subcategory, product category. So like dim product category, dim product subcategory. Hierarchy wise. So always, so we can simple answer is one dimension is connected to the other dimension and another dimension is connected to the fractal. That is called as snowflake scheme. So it's a mixed combination of mixed schema means star and snowflake scheme. It's a combination of both. So interview question. What are the interview question is which schema is best to perform? As you know, star schema and snowflake schema. Which schema is give the best performance? The answer would be is star schema is give the best performance. The reason is direct relationship is there always to give best result. Is it possible to convert snowflake to star schema or not? Yes, it is possible to convert snowflake to star schema by grouping all the dimensions into a single table. So what we can do is, so as you know, right, in the Power Query transformation level, these two tables we can join it and make it one table. Then we can join it apart. So that that is possible. So what is the dimensional modeling and what are the different ways available? What are the different types of, what is the dimensions modeling? What are the different ways available? Dimensions modeling. Okay. Yes. So what are the different types of schemas available? So, star schema, snowflake, and mixed or galaxy schema. Which schema which schema you have implemented in your recent project? Always the answer is Snowflake scheme, because the complexity of my client database or business, we design Snowflake. So always definitely dimension will connect another dimension, but they will ask which schema is best performance and what is your which schema you have implemented in your recent project. This question definitely they will ask these two questions. Okay, these are the questions related for major questions. So please go through this document as well as. So I already shared this document for everyone, right? So please let me know if anyone is not received. Just ping me personally so that I can share it accordingly. Okay. So the cardinality, right? The cardinalities are one to one, one to many. Now we are familiar, right? How many types of cardinality is there in the Power BI? Like 4 types of cardinality is there: one to many. So one to one means, so always the dimension two dimension are only any table. Table one having one by single value, table B having single value. Then so one to one it will connect. So one to many means, so the table one having unique values and table B having many values. So one to many. Similarly, vice versa. Table one has many value, table B has one value. Then many to one. Table A and table B, both the table have many to many values. So generally this will occur fact table when you connect fact table to fact table. Okay. On the transaction table, another transaction table is connected, then many to many values will appear. So everything is I have mentioned here. The detail wise, please go through here. Okay. So that's all for today class. For tomorrow onwards, we will discuss about tax analysis. That's so every day I'm sharing this record. Give me 1 second.